Take out all accessories and check them against the list to ensure everything is included. Unfold the hood. Press the 4 edges of the hood's entrance inward. This makes it easier to install the fastening clips later. Fold up one side and insert the fastening clip. Flip it over and insert another fastening clip. Make sure each clip is fully secured. Install all 8 sets of fastening clips around the entrance. Connect 2 adjacent panels of the hood. Make sure the side with the ears is placed on the inside. Overlap both sides and secure them with a fastening clip. Secure all 4 corners in the same way. The hood assembly is now complete. Then install the hood on the litter box. Remove the dust-proof stickers on the 4 corners of the litter box. Insert each support leg firmly into its slot. Push all the way in. When placing the hood, ensure the camera cover is placed on the camera. Insert the 4 corners of the hood into the support legs. Remove the adhesive backing from the front Velcro and stick it to the inside of the litter box. Then remove the adhesive backing from the rear Velcro and stick it to the outside of the litter box. The hood installation is complete. First, detach both front and rear Velcro strips. Lift the hood upward. Use the removal tool to detach the fastening clips one by one. Fold and store the hood.